FAQs about Gaultheria shallon. Gaultheria shallon, commonly known as Salal, is a versatile and attractive plant that has piqued my interest. Over time, I've found myself diving into various aspects of its cultivation, care, and characteristics. Here's a comprehensive guide based on common questions and practical insights about this intriguing plant. What is Gaultheria shallon? Gaultheria shallon is an evergreen shrub native to the western regions of North America, particularly from California to British Columbia. It's renowned for its glossy, dark green leaves and its ability to thrive in a variety of conditions. The plant produces small, bell-shaped flowers that turn into edible berries, which can add a unique touch to gardens and landscapes. How to care for Gaultheria shallon. Caring for Gaultheria shallon involves understanding its specific needs. Here's a quick rundown on how to keep it healthy. Light. Gaultheria shallon prefers partial to full shade. It can tolerate some direct sunlight, but thrives best in dappled light or shaded areas. Soil. This plant prefers acidic to neutral soil with good drainage. Incorporating organic matter like compost can enhance soil structure and fertility. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. The plant prefers consistently moist soil, but is not overly fussy about being waterlogged. Fertilizing. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in spring to promote healthy growth and flowering. Pruning. Prune is needed to remove dead or damaged branches and to maintain the plant's shape. This will also encourage new growth and prevent overcrowding. How to propagate Gaultheria shallon. Propagating Gaultheria shallon can be done through several methods. Cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer or early fall. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone and plant them in a pot with moist, acidic soil. Keep the cuttings in a shaded area until they develop roots. Seed. Seeds can be sown in a cold frame or greenhouse. They require a period of cold stratification before germination. Can Gaultheria shallon be grown in Illinois? Growing Gaultheria shallon in Illinois can be challenging due to the plant's preference for milder climates. Illinois, with its varying temperatures and often harsher winters, might not be the ideal environment for Salal. However, it can be grown successfully in shaded, protected areas with proper winter care, such as mulching to insulate the roots. How to identify Gaultheria shallon. Identifying Gaultheria shallon is relatively straightforward once you know what to look for. Leaves. The leaves are evergreen, leathery, and elliptical with a glossy finish. They are dark green and can range from 2 to 5 inches in length. Flowers. The plant produces small, white to pale pink, bell-shaped flowers that are typically found in clusters. Berries. After flowering, the plant produces round, purple to black berries that are edible but can be a bit tart. Is Gaultheria shallon drought tolerant? Gaultheria shallon is not particularly drought tolerant. It prefers consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. While it can handle short periods of drought once established, regular watering is essential to maintain its health and vigor. Is Gaultheria shallon poisonous to dogs? Gaultheria shallon is not considered highly toxic to dogs. However, ingestion of large quantities of any plant material can potentially cause gastrointestinal upset in pets. If your dog consumes a significant amount of the plant, it's a good idea to consult a veterinarian. What pollinators does Gaultheria shallon attract? Gaultheria shallon attracts a range of pollinators, including bees and butterflies. The small, bell-shaped flowers are particularly appealing to native pollinators looking for nectar. Who named Gaultheria shallon? The plant was named by the botanist William Gaulter, after whom the genus Gaultheria is named. The species name, Shallon, refers to the plant's native habitat in the shallows or undergrowth of coastal forests. What to plant with Gaultheria shallon? Gaultheria shallon pairs well with other shade-loving plants such as hostas. Their broad leaves complement the glossy foliage of Gaultheria shallon. Ferns create a lush, woodland feel with various fern species. Heuchera offers a range of leaf colors that contrast beautifully with the dark green of Salal. Common problems and solutions. Pests. Gaultheria shallon is relatively pest-resistant, but it can sometimes attract scale insects. Regular inspection and treatment with insecticidal soap can help manage these pests. Diseases. Root rot can occur in poorly drained soil. Ensure good drainage and avoid overwatering to prevent this issue. Compare with other similar plants. If you're considering alternatives, plants like Vaccinium ovatum, evergreen huckleberry, and Arbutus unido, strawberry tree, offer similar characteristics and can thrive in similar conditions. Gaultheria shallon is a fantastic plant for shaded, woodland gardens. Understanding its needs and characteristics will help you enjoy its beauty and benefits in your garden.